Hi, I'm Daniel McGrew with Epiroc Product Support for the Underground Rock Excavation team. Today on our E1C DH, I'll be showing you the greasing points and the automatic greaser on this machine. This will apply to any of our machines that has the automatic greasing system on it. First, we have a grease nozzle, grease gun. With this, there's a tub in the back of the machine that is operated with our air compressor. With this, we can use this nozzle to refill our automatic Lincoln Lube Greaser that's under this cover right here. There is a hole in that cover so you can see how much grease you've put in. You would just remove the cap, put the grease fitting on, and pull the trigger. Now there are some points on this machine that are not done by the automatic greaser, but they are done by the manual greaser, and we'll look at those points now. So here we are on the left side of the machine. At your door, we have 3 hinges which take grease fittings. The right side door also takes the same thing. Also on our left side, right behind the cab, we have a grease fitting here. This is for our axle oscillation. This is to make sure that our axle will float over top of the obstacles in the mine floor. So here we are at the left rear of the machine. This is our grease bucket that will run our manual grease gun at the front of the machine. This is also what we'll use to refill our auto greaser under our steel plate in the front. If you do run out of this, you just simply remove this top section, remove the bucket, and replace it with a new full bucket. So here we are at the front of the feed of our machine. Here we have a grease fitting that will grease our sheave for our pull down rope. Here we have 2 grease fittings for our flushing housing. And then just on the back side here for our feed extension cylinder, we have a grease fitting as well. So here we are at the back of the feed. Here's our hose drum. It's very important to grease these 2 as it gives longevity to the hose drum. And then right here we have another grease fitting, a block from our automatic greaser. What we can do with this is we can grease this section of the machine by itself if it needs extra grease pending the conditions that you're in. And we have those throughout the machine. So here we are on the front of the machine. Up here, protected by the boom brackets, we have an automatic grease point. That will take care of the cylinder ends automatically through the automatic greaser in here. There's also a red cap on that where we can manually grease it if we find that we're not getting sufficient grease to these points. Also on both sides of our swing pins here is a manual grease. So we want to check those as well. Thank you for watching, and for more information, please contact Epiroc dealer or a service center.